Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pidre. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. You can, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video, share us your experience so far with this trade, and also you can also join my Telegram group to meet some pro there. So today I'm going to introduce you to a spike strategy. That this spike strategy really helped me a lot to make a lot of profits. So it can also help you also. So as you can see now, a lot of spike is being moving in the market, and I've been catching up the spike. So I want you also to enjoy this strategy with me. So let me show you the settings of this strategy and watch the video to the end for me to explain it. So for the settings of this strategy, on my main chart I have the moving average, the period of 60, the shift of 0, method to be simple, apply to close, and I choose my style to be in black color. So you also can also choose any color of your choice. Then you press undone. Then you move to your window 1, indicator window 1. We have the relative strength index, the period of 14, apply to close, and we have our style in white color. So I have the level here to be in 90 and odd level. You see that? So by doing that, you press undone. Then you move to the MACD. So in my MACD, I have the fast EMA of 12, I have the slow EMA of 26, I have the MACD SMA of 9. I have applied to open. I have my main chart to be in blue color. I have my signal color to be in red color. So you press undone, and I have my last signal here, which is the moving average, the period of 2, the shift of 0, the method of explanation. I have the apply to the previous indicator data. So I have my style to also be in black color, and I have my level to be 0 0. So don't do anything, don't add anything there. Then you press undone. So by doing this, now you will have this same indicator on your charts. You see. So now how can you use this particular strategy to take up a spike? So this is my moving average. My moving average is the red 9 here at this particular time, and also I have my MACD at this particular 9, which is the black color, and also my second MACD is the blue color, which is the ethograph here. So what you are going to be checking all the time is when your moving average read the period of 90, and your MACD, or which is the red 9, cross the MACD. You see that when there is a cross here, then you can easily enter the market for what? For spike. You see, my moving average and the MACD, which is the red color, red 9 here, they join together. So that is when you are set to take up a spike. You see, when my moving average, which is my black color here, when it reach my 90 level, and you see it's giving you a sign that a spike is coming, but it's so much confirmed when you when your MACD join together at this particular point. You see that. So when you enter this market at this level now, you will have catch up this particular spike, and by catching up this spike now, you will have make a lot of money. So let me teach you this strategy, how you can make $40 every time for you to catch up a spike. You see, it happen in market time to time. It happen here. So if you check for more, let's see what is happening in the market. You see this particular zone, you see what has happened this particular zone now. You see my MACD is reaching my 90 level at this particular time, and my moving average also is joining up together at this particular zone. You see that spike really happened at this center. Also it also happened at this center too. You see. So when it happened, then you keep on catching up a spike. You see, it happened also at this particular period, when the moving average reached the 90 level, and the MACD also able to join to hit. You can see at this particular time. You see, when you enter at this level now, you catch up the spike down. So you see, it happened. This particular strategy, it happened on cash 1000, and it happened on boom 1000. It happened on crash 500 also. You can use it to trade cash 500 and crash 1000. You see, let's check for crash 1000 what is happening in the market of 1000. So for you to use this strategy to take a spike on boom 1000, this is what you just need to know. So you need to look for your moving average, which is the moving average, which is the black color here, is your moving average. So, and this is your MACD. This is your MACD. So when your moving average and the MACD meet together at my 10 level at this particular spot, then you really know that the market is going to what is going to start rocket up, and you are going to take a lot of profits with taking up the spike. You see, from this level to this aspect, now you will have take a lot of profit. So with this, so if you can see more, you see, when the two are going to meet together, when my moving average is reach my 90 level and my MACD is able to join it at that particular zone also, you see, you take up you take up the spike, and you, by doing this, you will have make a lot of profits in the market. So it happened time to time. You see, the same thing happened this particular zone, and before you know, it spiked down. So it happen time to time in market. So that is exactly how you can successful catch up with a big spike every time in market. So if you are watching this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video and share your experience on how you use this particular strategy, and also you can also join my Telegram group. It's below the video description. Thanks.